Dear Video Diary, it's our last day in London and a very touristy day at that. We're starting it off at Kensington Gardens. It was so beautiful here. It was giving Hyde Park, but more peaceful because it was the morning time and there were lesser people. We went here to see the Princess Diana statue, but it doesn't open till 10 a.m. and we had places to go, and I had to take a picture of the Lime bikes because it's very Harry Styles coded. And this beautiful quote that I saw when we were walking out to Big Ben. I don't think I'll get sick of this view, truly. It's so pretty, and like, I know it's so touristy, but I am a tourist, so what? And that's London Eye, and another photo of Big Ben. And now we're riding London Eye. This was my mom's birthday wish actually that day. It was her birthday and she loves seeing like high views, and it did rain while we were up there, but it was okay because it was still beautiful and like weirdly but not calming. And again, Big Ben. And then after that we just went back to our hotel. Appreciation for our hotel location. It was so good. And this was me on our way back to Leamington Spa. We met up with the rest of the family at the house and surprised mom with flowers and cake, which Atifat got at M&S. It was so good. Oh my god. And then after that, we just took a walk to Zizi in the town proper. They had delicious appetizers and drinks. It was so good. And then after that was walking home, where Gabby taught me how to ride a scooter. I made it to the park, which means malapit na ako sa parade sa town proper. It's just so wet and gross right now. I feel like we had a solid week lang na cute fall, tapos binigyan kami ng reality weather which is still fall, so it's still cold and there's leaves everywhere, but with that it's rain and wet and gross wet leaves. Yeah. Even what I'm walking on right now. Yung pupuntahan kong first store, I decided to go there first. 2 stores kasi yung pupuntahan ko. Yung first store, near Boots siya. So, yeah. Anyway, may nakasalubong ako kanina, so I can't talk. Oh wait, I can't talk anymore. Pumasok lang ako ng store sa Nina. No rain. That's so weird. Kind of success fail at the first one. Okay, I'm back out. It's not as sunny as when I came into Tesco, but it's not raining, which is good. I got the groceries. It took me 5 minutes more to find the corn flour. It was hiding behind something. Oh. Anyway, I asked for help and he was able to find it so quick. So now we're out and I'm walking back home. Put the hood back on even though it's all raining. I don't know, just wanted to be incognito. We're in the park and they didn't have the muscle joint spray thing for mom, so we're gonna have to wait. Yeah, we're gonna pick it up tomorrow or on Thursday, which is good because we're not doing anything else this week, I think. Hopefully. Yeah, I don't think we're not. Ayoko na, ba't ba ako nag-English? Bakul yan. Pagod na ako. Ang bigat ng dala ko. Chill lang yung pag-grocery. Maliban nga dun sa cornstarch na ang tawag dito corn flour. So I had to ask for help. Buti na lang okay siya. Okay yung nakausap ko. Like, yeah, who I asked help for. Sakyan. Nakakaba tumawid sa mga tawiran na walang stop sign. Kasi ibig sabihin, it's all on you to check. May iba dito na tupatawid kahit hindi pa green. Hindi ko kaya yun. Bisita lang ako dito. Hindi para mag-break tayo ng rules. Grabe yung workout. Anong steps na kaya ako? Nakakainas kasi hindi ko dala yung watch ko kanina. Hindi ko na-count yung steps ko sa retail card. Hintik lang akong bangga ng bisikleta. Ewan ko ba? Bakit hindi siya nag-swerve agad? Dapat tumawid na pala. Puro ako sa side na to. And then sa kabila yung bahay. Let's admire the houses. So nice. Oh, Diyos ko. Oh my God. 2 bote ng avocado oil yung binili ko kasi iti-deep fry siya. Eh, parang ang konti lang nung isa. So, dinalawa ko. Tapos nung kinompute ko, parang yung dalawa, 10 pounds. So, mga 800. Parang reasonable naman na yun for avocado oil. Tawid na kaya tayo. Ano na yun ito eh? Ano ba? Kalagpas na pala ako, no? Oh, so ang ganda ng sidewalks here. Ang lawak. If maglalakad dito yung, ano nga yun, yung chinita something. Siguro 10 out of 10 to sa kanila. Oh, hindi pa ako nakalagpas kasi ito pa lang yung school. Yes, ko po. Doon pa eh. Hindi pa itong stoplight na to. Meron kasing stoplight before the house. So, actually, pwedeng doon na ako tumawid. Ay, oh my gosh. Ang bigat. Tapos, bumili pa ako ng cheese. Actually, munti ko na makalimutan yung corn flour. Buti, mag-mental ako ng kung ano yung mga need ko bilhin. Tapos, nung nakapila ako, chinek ko rin naman. Feel ko super shaky din ang trip na to. Ang ingay pa. Sorry. Pagdating ko, titingnan ko pa yung sinalang ko sa dryer. At saka yung dun dryer nila kuya. Kasi parang basa pa siya. So baka ibabalik ko din yun sa dryer. Hindi ko alam. Malapit na ba tayo? Parang malapit pa. Tawid na kaya ako dito. Ay, wag na. Kakago lang nito eh. So, dito ko lang ako tatawid. Siguro bilis na lang. Yan siya. Nakatakot. Baka malaglag ko yung eco bag. Ay, pinag-go na sila. Ibig sabihin, matagal pa ako. Anong oras na ba? Pero naman hindi ako madamay. Yun yung mga nakikita ko. Or mga, yan. Tawid na tayo. Tawid na tayo, friendly. Pagdating na bus. Okay. Let's go. Dito walang. Ayun. Nakikita ko na. Nakikita ko na yung stoplight. Ay po, meron din pala dito. Kalimutan ko. Iintay na naman tayo. Okay. Naka 8 minutes na to. Wala na naman ako storage. Bye.